guys, so today I'm back with another video. So in this video, I'll be making a unicorn fluffy butter slime, which I'm really excited about. So let's get started. But first of all, make sure you subscribe and click the bell to be part of my notification squad and have a shout out in my video. The shout out members were Lena Ahmed 123, Mariam 576, Amara 123, and Ishal 786. So yeah, let's go into it. So first I got the glue, and this slime is really like I was making it and then it was just weird. So yeah, here's with you. So I was gonna make my borax solution, so I got the water and I added in my borax. So I just added in a bit of borax. I shaked it up. And then I added a tiny bit in. And it still wasn't turning, so I just put in a bit more. Now this was fluffy, and all I done to make this slime was just some glue, shaving cream, and some cream because I put in the cream because I was going to make a butter slime and I needed a cream in there for it to be butter slime. And this glue that I was using took forever to activate. It was the worst glue I've ever used to make slime. So then I just put in some more borax and then kept on mixing. And it was still not turning, and I was just so annoyed because it was the most annoyingest thing because it was not turning. So I put in way more. And I had to make another borax solution because it was not turning. It was horrible. So I put in some more and then started mixing. So because it was not turning, I just put in some baking soda because I ran out of borax and it was so annoying. So then I kept on mixing. And trust me, this was the most annoyingest slime I've ever made because it just wasn't turning. And then finally, I was mixing it and it was starting to turn into slime. It took forever and I was so happy and relieved and just calm. It was so annoying. So I kept on mixing it and it was really nice and fluffy, but you don't want to make it too fluffy because if you do make it too fluffy, then it won't be that buttery, and if you put in too much cream, then it won't be that fluffy. And I just kept on mixing, and this glue was so thick. It was so hard to mix in the slime. I don't recommend to use the glue that I used. The glue that I used was the I can't remember. Oh, it was the Gimme Craft glue, and I don't recommend to use it because it was just so annoying. It was thick and all, but just annoying. And I ran out of borax because of it. So, yeah. So comment down below if you love unicorns. I love unicorns. Put your hand up if you love unicorns. I love unicorns so much. That's why I wanted to make a unicorn slime. As soon as it was finally ready, I got it out and separated it into little pieces, 3 little pieces, because I needed 3 of the colors I need for the slime. I needed pink, I needed blue, and I needed purple. And so if you hear like really loud noises, it's just because they're my next door neighbors are kind of shouting a bit. Okay, so then what I did is I added them into 3 sections and added in some paint. So for the biggest one, you have to add the most amount of paint, pigment or whatever you're using. For the pink, I was using paint, and for the food coloring, I was using some food coloring. Now this was not working and it was not coming out, so I used a different paint. And I just didn't use the paint after all. I just used up some food coloring because I finally found it. So I wanted to make a pastel, so I didn't put in a lot. Now I just mix that together. Comment down below if you like it when I make a slime with borax, or do you like it when I make it with contact lens solution? Comment down below so I know. So I just mix that in. And it was kind of taking long to mix in, but finally when I was done mixing it in, I moved on to the next colour. So then I used some blue. And I put in way too much blue, which was really annoying. So I just added a bit onto this one because I was going to make it purple, so I just needed to mix in some pink. And I definitely made it way too dark because as soon as I knew it, it was the most darkest slime I've made if it was meant to be pastel. Okay, so then I used the pink again, and my camera nearly fell, which was really, really annoying. The pink wasn't coming out, so I squeezed it so hard, and finally some came out. And it was going to be a really dark purple just because of the pink not coming out. Then I saw there was no pink in it at all whatsoever, so I had to add in way, way more. And on camera it looks blue, but in real life it is purple. Don't worry. So then I just mixed it all together. Well, I didn't mix it together, but I just put it in a row. And then I added in the clay. Now, I didn't put in a lot of clay just because I didn't really need a lot. And the clay that I used was Model Magic. So I just mixed that all in. So yeah, that was the end of my video. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below if you want to see any more videos like this. Like this video, share it with any of your friends or family, and yeah, bye!